Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to use this beautiful Chanel quad. It is the number 382, but if you would like to see how I created this look using this beautiful little quad, just keep watching. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ange and I am a mature girl who likes to share all things beauty and lifestyle as I navigate my more mature years. I also do lots of eyeshadow tutorials for hooded downturned eyes. If that sounds like the sort of content that you would be interested in, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. I do upload videos on a weekly basis and I would love to see you back. I recently received a beautiful parcel from a beautiful makeup fairy. I'm going to call her my makeup angel, and she sent me this quad thinking I would like the color combinations in this quad, and they are beautiful, right up my alley. So I sort of feel that she has got my mojo in what I like in makeup, and I'm so eternally grateful for this palette, and I have enjoyed creating this look today. This palette is part of the Chanel permanent collection. It was released this year as part of the cruise collection, and it retails for $62 US. This is a warm toned palette with 2 metallic shades and 1 satin and 1 matte, and I just think the curation of the colors is really pretty. So let's get into the tutorial of this beautiful little palette. Right, I'm going to go in with the shade here as a transition shade, and I'm going to use a Morphe 504, and I have primed my eyes with the NARS Soft Matte Concealer and circular motions in the outer corner, just lots of them, just to blend that in. And then when it's all diffused, heading into the inner corner, just keeping it up the top in my hood area. Going in again, same colour, just to add, and I must admit I prefer shadows as preference that I can build up bit by bit rather than it be something that goes in too heavy and I have to just keep blending because it's too much. I like shadows I can build on. That is my preference. And just one more time. And then to blend it out and diffuse it in the outer area, I start doing my circular motions going outwards just to blend that out and diffuse it. Now, I love this shade. I think it would be a great one and done shadow. I'm going to go in with a Wayne Goss number 4 brush, and I'm going to take this dark shade in the palette and just do my tap tap little motions, tap tap, that I do with my brush to just slowly add colour in the outer corner. This is a very soft brush. I'm just tapping and then I'm going to blend. And when you do window shield action around your eyeball, you can find where your crease would be if you didn't have all that flesh on top, or that I have on top. So I'm following that natural curvature of my eye with this shade So it's just down a little bit lower than where we did the transition shade earlier. Once again, as I said, I really like just building up on a shade. And then taking it in to the crease with little circular motions. And then blowing it out into that transition shade. And that's just deepened up part of that. You can see the difference between that eye and that eye. Now I'm going to go in with this very unusual gold shade, and I will take a It Cosmetics brush. This was a part of a sort of Christmas gift pack I purchased, and it's the Effortless Shadow and Smudger brush. So I'm going to take that gold and I'm going to place that on the inner portion of the eyelid. And I'd also really love to do this same look but with the beautiful sheen cream shade in here as well. Going back with my Wayne Goss brush and then just blending in that crease area over the gold. Going back in with the original blending brush, the Morphe 504, and then just making sure we're all blended here. Just adding a little bit more to the outer corner. Using the other end of this It Cosmetics brush, I'm going to go in with the darker brown, and I'm just going to run that along the lash line. Make sure I get this little wee corner here. And I'm just going straight there. And I might also just run it a little bit along the lash line at the top as well. I'm going to use the Wayne Goss brush and go in with the first shade we tried, and I'm just going to add that and blow out the bottom one a little bit more. I'm taking one of the sponge applicators that come with the palette. I'm going to take this pretty shade that I'm dying to try in lieu of the gold here, and I'm just going to pop that just in the inner corner. Should I try a little bit there, guys? Why not? Why not? And then just take my finger to soften that. In fact, and what I'll do is I'll go in with the first blending brush and just soften that off. Okay, liner. I will use the Wayne Goss Rich Hazel, and I'm going to pop that in my upper waterline and on the lash line. And I might put it just a little bit on the lash line at the bottom outer third. Taking the It Cosmetics brush, I will just smudge that liner in the outer third. And just dragging it under a little bit. And funny, pinch my face now and all my skin moves with it. Charming. Okay, I will go and pop lashes on and we'll be right back to see the finished look. Okay, so I've got my lashes on, and as always I'm just making sure that with the lashes the look goes with the shadow, and I always like tweaking, and it's usually this outer corner that I have to. So just looking straight ahead, so just making sure I've got the right amount of dark in the outer corner. That is the finished look using the Chanel palette number 382. I am really happy with that. It is such a beautiful palette. Love the colour story. I'm dying to try this look again and using the light shade instead of the yellow on the inner corner, so inner part of the lid. So really looking forward to that. Really happy. What do you think, guys? Let me know down in the comments below if this is a colour story that you like. If you enjoyed that, please give the video a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. If you haven't already, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and check out any other videos that I have. As I said, I upload on a weekly basis and would love to see you back. I do hope you enjoyed that. I hope you've had a beautiful and a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. See you later, guys. Bye.